Really? Hey, what was it? What was in it? What's it say?
I don't know what this says.
What, the big word?
Mhm.
What's it look like it says?
Legoland?
Yeah. But what does it say though? The whole note.
Happy Halloween, Nathan. I hope you enjoyed this book on your trip to Lego.
Wait, open the back cover. I think I saw something in the back of the book too. What's it say?
Go get packed.
Go get packed? Like now?
I don't know.
That's what it says.
Yay! The Karate Kid, yay! Reese's Pumpkin. So can I get past now?
I think you might wanna.
Why?
Because the note says we're going to Legoland.
And where?
Well, it's gonna be a long drive.
Florida?
Unless you don't want to go.
I want to go. Like now?
Well, like, yeah.
We're going to start driving now?
And as soon as we're ready to go. Unless you don't want to. What do you think? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. The sticker book is for you to take with you. It has stickers that you put in the little places there. There's like 1,000 stickers in there.
These?
Yeah. You take them and you put them in the places where they belong.
So, are you gonna go get packed? So that we can go?
Well, go!
Go! Go get packed!